Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I am so excited to be starting a new series on my channel for the springtime. We're going to be doing some serious deep cleaning around my house. Today we're going to start mainly with the kitchen. I'm going to touch a few other spaces downstairs too in this video to give you guys lots of cleaning motivation and deep cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you, and let's get right into it. So I thought I would introduce myself or reintroduce myself if you have been here for a while, just in case I have any new friends that are stopping by this video today. So my name is Meredith, and on my channel you'll find lots of homemaking, cleaning motivation. I love to post decorating videos, basically anything homemaking you'll find over here and also over on my Instagram. So I'm a full-time elementary school teacher. That's my day job, and my fiance Jack and I are getting married in June this year. We're super excited. We are cat parents to the sweetest kitty, Josie. You'll see her in my videos a lot, especially my cleaning videos. She's like my little shadow. She follows me everywhere. But yeah, stick around if you like these types of homemaking videos, lifestyle content, things like that. And let me know in the comments how long you have been following or watching my videos. I would love to know. I'm coming up on 2 years of doing YouTube. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So my main goal when deep cleaning is to pretty much get everything out of my way, because surface cleaning I do on a daily basis, but it's very infrequently that we move everything out of a space or off of counters or surfaces and do a full deep clean, and that is what I wanted to tackle today. So I'm just removing everything from the countertops, and then I'm going in with a granite cleaner and just really scrubbing down these countertops. I love granite cleaners because they are meant for granite surfaces, for polished and sealed stone and things like that. They do a great job of cleaning and also polishing at the same time. So I'm going to go in and do a wipe down, and then I'm going to do a second wipe down. And I'm going to do a lot of other deep cleaning too. We got to do the cabinets in here. We're going to get to the sink and the stove. My stove is kind of gross. I should have done some close-up shots to show you guys, how bad they were, but anyway, we're going to tackle lots of things in here that I don't do on a daily basis. So I hope this motivates you guys to every now and then, every few months, just take, a couple hours and really deep clean, even if it's just one space at a time. That's why I like doing the series this way. It makes it feel a little bit more manageable if you just tackle one space at a time.
'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
So like I said, this oven and the stovetop needed a pretty good deep clean. It had been a while since I had taken the knobs off, and this is just a quick tip just to make sure that you're getting an extra deep clean, is to pull the knobs off of your stovetop and make sure that you're cleaning behind them. I'm just using a degreaser spray. This is the Method degreaser that I'm using here, but any type of degreaser will work to really get all of that extra residue off. It made a huge difference.
I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you
It feels really good to have cleaned off those smaller appliances. Stuff that sits out on your countertops all the time is just constantly getting covered in dust and grime, and you almost don't even notice it on a daily basis. But giving things like that a really good deep clean makes a huge difference. But now I'm putting away all of the Valentine's Day stuff that I had on my tiered tray. I'm getting very close to getting ready to decorate for spring. I will probably upload a spring decorating video next, and then we'll do part 2 in my deep cleaning series after that, just because I want to give you guys some inspiration for spring decorating. Spring is probably one of my favorite times of the year to decorate for, and certainly not as much as Christmas or even fall, but I just love that refresh, and especially when it starts to warm up a little bit here where I live. It just makes my overall mental state feel so much better when the house feels bright and light and airy with all the bright colors and pops for spring. So I'm very excited to start decorating here in another week or so.
I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, losing my pride. But I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to cope.
The front of my cabinets get particularly bad on this side. I feel like mostly because this is where we do the majority of food prep is on this half of the kitchen. So the other half of the kitchen wasn't too bad, but these lower cabinets, especially from drips and little food spills while we're cooking, I just really needed to scrub these down really well. I'm using the Method Wood for Good cleaner, and it's in this really good almond scent. So it just smells so good and so clean. And anytime, you have light colored cabinets, I'm sure you can relate if you do, that they just show dirt so easily and every little drip and spill. So this was long overdue. Surprise, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. I would love to know what your least favorite thing to deep clean is. I feel like for me, it is hands down bathrooms. They are the worst to deep clean because they're just, in general, kind of a gross place in the house to clean, and I feel like when you're deep cleaning, you start to notice all the stuff that you miss in your daily pickup or your daily wiping of things down. So I would definitely say bathrooms for me, but I would love to know what your least favorite thing is to deep clean. That being said, we all know how satisfying it is once you've done it. The house in general just smells and feels so much better. Jack even said he was coming in and out of the house all day while I was cleaning because we were still renovating the upstairs bathroom. And every time he would walk up or down the stairs or in and out of the house, he was like, man, it smells so good down here. And it's so true that just a little bit of deep cleaning goes a long way. But now I'm filling up the soap container. I love using these reusable bottles. So I just had a tiny bit of dish soap left over from Mrs. Meyer's and then a little bit of the Grove Collaborative soap. I always have my link down below, by the way, for all of my cleaning products that I get from Grove. You can use my discount code down below. But anyway, I just wanted to get that all cleaned off so that I can get the sink cleaned out next.
Here now, but they all disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together, let's come whatever.
kitchen is almost there, guys. We only have a few more things left to do in here, and the thing that I wanted to take care of the most today was this bar cart, which honestly is a giant dust magnet. As much as I love it because it stores so many extra glasses and things like that we don't have room for in the cabinets, it is just a giant dust magnet. So it does have to be wiped off every so often, but I also think it's a great way to display like really cute things, plus all of your, different cocktail mixers and things like that. But I wanted to wipe the top of it down. I needed to wipe behind the bar cart too, because this is where we have like Josie's water bowl plugged in and stuff like that, and it just gets a bunch of cat hair and dust. So it's always good to wipe behind it every so often. And then I'm gonna clear everything off of the shelves, and I have these shelf liners that I use on the bar cart just so nothing like falls through or tips. It actually helps a lot since these are wire shelves to put like a plastic liner down, but those are super easy to just wash in the sink. So I'm gonna wash those off one by one, and then we're gonna put everything back on the bar cart. I'm gonna reorganize in a little bit more of an efficient manner how everything is on here, and it is so satisfying to get every little bit of dust off of it.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell.
I'm a huge fan of drinkware, if you can't tell by this clip here, that I do really love different types of drinkware or barware. So we have really cute little margarita glasses. We have these 2 Coke glasses that we got when we went to Coca-Cola World in Atlanta a few years ago. And then I like to collect shot glasses from like different places. I think they're really small collectibles that are easy to, get at different places that you go. And the one thing that we're missing that we'd love to get, and we'll probably put on our registry, are like mule glasses. We don't have any like copper mule glasses, and Jack and I are both fans of like Moscow or Kentucky mules, so I feel like those are the last glasses we need to complete our collection. But now we're going to move on to just this part of the refrigerator. I had actually done the entire refrigerator like a few days before I had filmed this video, but I did not do the shelves, and I feel like the shelves get neglected just because I don't know what it is. It's just so annoying to take everything off of these little shelves and then wipe them out. I guess because the regular shelves in the fridge are flat and really easy to clean off, but these have so many nooks and crannies that I just don't really like cleaning them, to be honest, but they were way overdue. So I'm just gonna wipe them out, use some anti-bac spray to make sure that everything is super clean, and then I'm going to put everything back in a little bit more of an organized manner too. I do like to put condiments based, on what you might use them for. Like put all the Asian sauces together, put all the mustards and stuff together. So we're gonna make this a little bit more organized.
All night, we're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes.
Now we're going to move on to a little bit of cleaning in the living room. I didn't have a ton to do in here, just wanted to wipe down a couple surfaces, and then we're actually going to mop the floors, so I did want to vacuum a couple of the little area rugs or doormats that I have throughout the house. And then we are going to also tackle the bathroom. I'm not going to deep clean the bathroom, I'm just going to do a general cleaning of the bathroom. I will probably save a deep clean of some of the other spaces in my house for episode 2. I feel like this was a lot of kitchen cleaning jam-packed into one video for you guys, so I didn't want to overdo it, but I did have some other general cleaning that I did need to do on this day, so I thought I'd throw it in for you.
When you're
heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? When you're moving your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we play. That's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
We're gonna wipe down this vanity and make sure that everything in here is clean and ready to go, and that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of this deep cleaning motivation. I hope it inspired you to tackle just a small space in your house and just spend some quality time making it super clean, and it just makes it more manageable if you break it up that way. If you like this video and you want to see more in my spring deep cleaning series, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button before you go. I would absolutely love to have you join my internet family, and I'll see you guys again really soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.
My body.